Hello everyone, this is Neha in front of you from SD School Birod. I study in 9th class. I hope you all guys are doing well. As we all know, manners are the most important thing in our life. Good manners help us in getting respect and dignity in the society, whereas bad manners defame us. Good manners also help us to develop good habits. Good manners improve the social, physical, mental, and spiritual development and well being of a person. Good manner is a well behaving manner of a person which adds good impression on other as gives good feeling and confidence about ourselves. We all should follow good manner. So today I am here to make some DIY cards of good manners. So let's get started. So the necessary things that we need for making flashcards are, first of all, we should have colorful pages and a A4 size white paper. After that we need a Fevicol, scissor and geometry box. First of all, we have to make these types of flower. So I will tell you how to make these flower. We have to take a paper of size 7 by 7 centimeter. So now first of all, fold this like, after this fold one more time like this, and now like this. Now we have to make leaf of this. We are going to make, now we have to cut this. And we have made our flower. So we have made our circles. After making circles, we have to do like this. We have to paste a circle over this flower. So now we have to take a small paper, white sheet paper. So now we have to make a circle by using compass. I have made this circle. So I am going, after making circle, we have to cut this with scissors. So I am going to cut this. After cutting this, we have to paste over our flower. After that we have to paste this. Okay, now I am going to paste this. I have pasted this here. After pasting this circle, now it's time to write some good manners on it. I have already written, so I will tell you what I have written. So we always say thank you to everybody. First, good manner, thank you. Second, may I. Third, I am sorry. Fourth, hello. Fifth, you are welcome. Sixth, excuse me. 7, please. 8th, I am so sorry. 9th, goodbye. So we have written good manners on our flowers. So it's time to make the string and leaves of the flower. First of all, we have to take a small green paper to make a string. Now roll this as I am doing. Roll this like, and the string will be thin, not so thick, it will be thin, so it looks nice. So I have made a string. After making string, I have made all strings. After making strings, it's time to make leaves. To make leaves, we need a small paper first of all fold this like this. After one more time we have to fold this. After this we have to draw a leaf over it. I have drawn, so now it's time to cut this leaf. And yeah, I have made leaves. Now we have to paste this string like this. We have to paste this here, so I am pasting it. Yeah, I have pasted this. After this we will do pasting of our leaves. We will paste our leaves after this. So I have pasted leaves over it. So we have completed our DIY flashcards. At last, I would only like to say that we should always follow good manners and we should always be in discipline. I wish you all will like it. Thank you and have a nice day.